How to fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp. Now, if Meta AI is not showing up on your WhatsApp, you want to open up Play Store or App Store. Now, tap on the search bar and here search for WhatsApp. Now, if you have the update button here, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. New features like Meta AI are often rolled out through these updates. So, you want to check for available updates on your app and make sure that you have updated it to the latest version. Then you want to open up the application. Now check if you have the Meta AI rolled out. If you still do not, then you want to check if your device is compatible with the latest WhatsApp feature. You can verify the requirements by heading over to Play Store. Here you want to tap on the What's New option, then scroll all the way down and here you will find Compatibility for Active Devices option and it will show you the compatibility from here. Now, if you're still not getting the Meta AI, then that might be because Meta AI has not been rolled out in your region. Now, these new features are rolled out slowly all over the world, so it might be that in your region this feature has still not been rolled out. In that case, all you can do is wait for a couple of days and keep checking for updates by going into Play Store or App Store. After a certain period of time, you will get the option of Meta AI, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.